Dear all participants, welcome to National Level 5 Days Faculty Development Program on LaTeX, organized by GNA University Punjab in association with IIT Bombay Spoken Tutorials through the kind vision of Pro Chancellor Shri Gurdeep Singh Sehra, Vice Chancellor Dr V.K.Rattan, Registrar Dr S.K. Mahajan and Dean Academics Dr Monika Hanspal. IIT Bombay Spoken Tutorial will be offering our course link free so that we will be able to support educators and students across the India. Under this initiative and in association with GNA University, we will be sharing our resource material on LaTeX in the form of assignments, code files, script and slides so that faculty will be able to play, pause, rewind and forward the audio video lectures to have effective learning. I really appreciate the efforts made by Head Faculty of Computational Science Dr. Umesh Sehgal and Faculty Coordinator Ms. Sukhpreet Kaur Gill and Mr. Inderjit Singh. Through LaTeX, you will be able to write your technical paper in reputed international conferences and journals, and it will also improve your technical writing skills because you just have to worry about your quality of content, not for the formatting. So in this lockdown period, we wish you all the best. Happy learning. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you.